Let me show you how prophets and messengers of Allah relate to each other. First, there was Adam, who is considered a prophet in Islam. He had a few kids, but we will focus on three: Cain, Abel, and Shaith. Cain killed Abel, and Shaith had many kids. Amongst them was Idris, and from the descendants of Idris came Noah. Pretty straightforward. Starting with Prophet Noah, we enter a new phase, one that follows the flood and its aftermath. Prophet Noah had 4 sons: Sam or Shem, Ham, Japheth, and Canaan or Yam. Canaan and Yam are the same person. We will focus on Sam, who had 2 notable descendants, Arphaxad and Aram. Arphaxad was the ancestor of Prophet Hud, while Aram was the ancestor of Prophet Saleh. This means that Prophet Hud and Prophet Saleh were cousins. The Prophet Hud's descendants continued. He had a descendant called Falij, who fathered Tarih, also known as Azar. As you may know, Azar was the father of Prophet Ibrahim. Azar had 2 sons, Haran and Ibrahim. Haran was the father of Prophet Lut, which means that Prophet Ibrahim was the uncle of Prophet Lut. Prophet Ibrahim had 3 noteworthy wives: Hajar, Sarah, and Keturah, also known as Qantura. From Keturah, Prophet Ibrahim had a son named Midian or Madian, and Madian was the ancestor of Prophet Shu'aib, peace be upon him. These 3, Shu'aib, Ibrahim, and Lut, lived around the same period, and they were chosen as prophets in this order: Ibrahim, then Lut, then Shu'aib. But was Keturah the only wife who bore children for Ibrahim? No. Lady Hajar gave birth to Prophet Ismail, peace be upon him. Lady Sarah gave birth to Prophet Ishaq or Isaac, peace be upon him. And many prophets came from the lineage of Prophet Ishaq. Prophet Ishaq had 2 sons, Prophet Jacob or Yaqub and Esau or Al-Isa. Prophet Yaqub had many children, but 4 of them are particularly important to us: Benjamin or Binyamin, Levi or Lawi, Prophet Joseph or Yusuf, and Judah or Yehuda. Al-Isa had a descendant whose Prophet Ayub, peace be upon him. As you can see, Prophet Yusuf and Prophet Ayub both are cousins, and from the descendants of Ayub came Dhul Kifl, peace be upon him. Now let's go back to Benjamin, because from his lineage came Prophet Yunus. Now let's look at Levi or Lawi, because from his descendants came a man named Imran or Imram. And who was Imram? Exactly, the father of Musa and Harun, or Moses and Aaron. That means that Prophet Yusuf was the great uncle of both prophets Musa and Harun. But not only that, Prophet Yusuf, from his descendants came Ephraim. Ephraim had a son named Nun. And who was Nun's son? Exactly, Yusha ibn Nun, Yusha son of Nun, the young companion of Prophet Moses. Now what about Aaron? From his lineage came Prophet Ilyas, peace be upon him. And Ephraim also had a descendant, Prophet Al-Yasa, peace be upon him. But let's go back to Yehuda or Judah. Judah was the ancestor of Prophet Dawood, peace be upon him. And as you already know, Dawood was the father of Prophet Sulaiman or Solomon, peace be upon him. Now Prophet Sulaiman had 2 very important descendants: Prophet Zachariah, peace be upon him, who, as you might know, was the father of Prophet Yahya or John, peace be upon him. The other was Imran, who, as you may know, was the father of As-Sayyida Maryam al-Adhra, the Virgin Mary, peace be upon her, the mother of Prophet Isa, Jesus, peace be upon him. Now from what lineage does Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, come? He comes directly from the lineage of Prophet Ismail, peace be upon him. So there you have it. That's why Allah said in the Quran, indeed Allah has chose Adam and Noah and the family of Abraham and the family of Imran over the world's descendants, some of them from others, and Allah is hearing and knowing. Which is, by the way, another miracle in the Quran, because how would Prophet Muhammad know the lineage of all the monotheistic prophets living in a completely and utterly pagan society? I hope you liked that video. Please leave a comment. If you have other questions about Islam, visit chatanddecide.com. See you in the next one.